These are the top 50 most common certification questions that you could have in your exam. If you want to download the complete list of current updated questions, please download it from the link provided in the description. Question is, when is an Apex trigger required instead of a process builder process? Option A, when a record needs to be created. Option B, when multiple records related to the triggering record needs to be updated. Option C, when a post to chatter needs to be created. Option D, when an action needs to be taken on a delete or undelete or before a DML operation is executed. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, which approach should a developer use to add pagination to a Visualforce page? Option A standard controller. Option B, the action attribute for a page. Option C, the extensions attribute for a page. Option D, a standard set controller. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, a developer is asked to create a PDF code document formatted using the company's branding guidelines and automatically save it to the opportunity record. Which two ways should a developer create this functionality? Choose two options. Option A, install an application from the App Exchange to generate documents. Option B, create a Visualforce page with custom styling. Option C, create an email template and use it in Process Builder. Option D, create a visual flow that implements the company's formatting. Correct answer is option A and option B. Next question is, which tool allows a developer to send requests to the Salesforce REST APIs and view the responses? Option A, REST Resource Path URL. Option B, Workbench REST Explorer. Option C, Developer Console REST tab. Option D, Force.com IDE REST Explorer tab. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, which two strategies should a developer use to avoid hitting governor limits when developing in a multi-tenant environment? Choose two options. Option A, use collections to store all fields from a related object and not just minimally required fields. Option B, use methods from the limits class to monitor governor limits. Option C, use SOQL for loops to iterate data retrieved from queries that return a high number of rows. Option D, use variables within Apex classes to store large amounts of data. Correct answer is option B and option C. Next question is, which three tools can deploy metadata to production? Choose three options. Option A, change set from developer.org. Option B, force.com IDE. Option C, data loader. Option D, change set from sandbox. Option E, metadata API. Correct answer is option A, D and option E.